All right, 25. Which expression is equivalent? Y plus 12 over x minus 8 plus y times x minus 8 over x squared y minus 8xy. I can't talk. All right, anytime you want to combine two fractions, they have to have the same denominator. It doesn't matter if I'm adding 1/2 and 1/4, or if I'm adding 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4y. They have to have the same denominator, then I can add them. So let's look at these two. I have y plus 12 over x minus y. And then I have y times x minus 8 over x squared y minus 8xy. Now, I see an 8 here and an 8 here, and there's an x here and an x here. Is there anything I could multiply this by to get to that? Well, what if we took out a greatest common factor over here? Over here, I've got two x's. You can always take out the smaller if the variables are in both terms. So there's that single x. I can take that out. It would leave behind an x in the first term and a 1 in the second. Then I've got a y in both terms. Okay, so I can take a y out. So the y disappears from that first term, and it disappears from the second one. So that takes care of the variables. And then we've got that 8. So 1 times 8, or just 8. So xy times x minus 8. I'm covering up the 8 there. There we go. So if I multiply this x minus 8 times xy, I will get x squared y minus 8xy. Now, anytime you're multiplying a fraction, you're multiplying the denominator by something, you have to multiply the numerator by that same thing, because you're essentially multiplying by 1. A number over itself, not including 0, is equal to 1. So x times y over x times y is 1. I can multiply this whole thing by 1 and not change it. Okay, so I'm going to do that first. Let me distribute here. Xy times y is xy squared, and xy times 12 is 12xy. Then on the bottom here, I have that the denominator I was looking for, x squared y minus 8xy. Woohoo! Now up here, I'm going to distribute this. X times y is xy. Y times negative 8 is negative 8y. And that's all over x squared y minus 8xy. Now I can combine because they have the same denominator. So I'm going to have xy squared plus 12xy plus xy minus 8y. All over x squared y minus 8xy. There we go. Okay, now I'm looking up here. Can I simplify any further? Are there any that have identical variables? Right here in the middle, I do. I have 12 xy's and one more xy's. So together that is 13 xy's. So I can combine those, 13xy, and that's it. I can't combine any more because that xy squared, xy, y, none of those match. So let's look over at my answers, and I'm looking for x squared plus 13xy minus 8y over x squared y minus 8xy, and lo and behold, there it is. C is my answer. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.